हम बचपने में हम स्कूल में सुनते थे कि अक्सर स्कूल में क्या होता था कि हम अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के बाजू पे बैठता था। तो नकल करने के लिए अकल भी चाहिए, इन नालायकों को अकल भी नहीं है। एंड दीज स्टूपिड जोकर्स दे वांट टू compete with India, claiming it's a victory over India. I am telling you something, fact about the fact. I think yesterday the Pakistani army chief had gifted a photo to the Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. President of Pakistan was there, the Speaker of National Assembly was there. And these stupid jokers, they want to compete with India. They had given a photograph of a 2019 Chinese army drill, claiming it's a victory over India. Now this is what Pakistan indulges in. They cannot even give a proper photograph. तो हम बचपने में हम स्कूल में सुनते थे कि अक्सर स्कूल में क्या होता था कि हम अच्छे पढ़ने वाले बच्चे के बाजू पे बैठता था। तो नकल करने के लिए अकल भी चाहिए, इन नालायकों को अकल भी नहीं है। So you just imagine that your own country's Prime Minister, President, Speaker of National Assembly is there. Your so-called Mr. Field Marshal is there, and the Field Marshal gives a photograph of a Pakistani Chinese drill of PHL-03 in 2019. So this is what Pakistan indulges in, and that is why you must not, whatever Pakistan is saying, don't even take it with a pinch of salt. Rely on what our foreign ministry is saying, our official spokesperson are saying. So you see, this organization TRF, India had not spoken it only after April 22nd. India has told the United Nations 1267 Sanction Committee in December 2023. So please remember.
You might need to point out what is TRF.
Yeah, so TRF is a new name for Lashkar-e-Taiba. Yeah. So we had informed them that look, this is a new name for LET. And in 2023, we informed this monitoring committee that this is a group which is working against India. When? December 2023. Now, in May and November 2024, we had again informed them that this is a Pak-based terrorist group which is going to harm India. So, 23 December, May and November 2024. So it's not that we were caught unawares. Whatever our people who are safeguarding all of us have been working on this. Number one. The second point is that, the Pakistani propaganda. आप हमको हमला करें. No. You should see the press statement of April 25 of United Nations Security Council. What did it say? It said that people who here it is. I'll read it out to you. It says that organizations which indulge in terrorism, financing, strict action should be taken against them. And Security Council releasing a statement, and then in that reference, Pakistan tried their level best to ensure that TRF name is not mentioned. Why? What has Pakistan got to do with TRF? See, if you're a country you're saying, so why did you insist that the name should not be mentioned? Fourthly, you must be remembering that few months ago when the tunnel was made in Kashmir, some engineers were assassinated, right? Engineers assassinated. Now, people who were eyewitness to this Pahalgam massacre, we had taken, the visual images, sketches, and one terrorist was caught. And in his cell phone, the sketches which were made of the 4 terrorists, it matched with the cell phone photos which we found in the attack. And those were Pakistani terrorists. And fifth, another point to corroborate what India is saying is what Jay Panda just told you, that four statements were given by TRF accepting this Pahalgam. Our agencies have found that they were given from a area which was close to Pakistani cantonment area. See, if you issue a statement, your footprints are there. You know, you people know very well that we are laymen. So it clearly shows Pakistan's clear involvement, clear that Pakistan must be brought back in FATF grey list. Now, what is the importance of FATF grey list? Is that there will be huge scrutiny on that nation when you do money transactions. And it is a fact that Pakistan uses Middle East, hawala or money laundering, to sponsor terrorist groups against India. Now, I'll give you an example. In 2018, Pakistan was brought in grey list. One Sajid Mir. If you open FBI website and type Sajid Mir, there's a 5 million reward on his head. Now, Sajid Mir was the main person who engaged David Headley. He told him to change his name for Dawood Gilani to David Headley. Now, Pakistan said he's dead. In Germany, when the final meeting of FATF was held, Pakistan came into that meeting and said, Sajid Mir is alive. Now, how can a person who's dead becomes alive? That in itself clearly shows that what Pakistan does, and then the Pakistani court gave him a sentence of 15 years for terror financing. So bringing Pakistan and FATF is very important, because our apprehension is that this 2 billion loan which IMF is giving, that will be used by Pakistani military. And it is a known fact, whenever this loan is given, it goes to all the core commanders of Pakistan Army. Someone has very rightly called them crore commanders of Pakistan Army.